Pila na.
So guys, we're just eating durian today. So, asya ko ko. Mm. 1 kilo is 250. This is 250. Yes, it's so expensive. Mura, di na kumakaon eh. So expensive, guys.
So expensive. Wala mi.
For a long time, we just experienced to eat durian. Because we just saw it in the, we just see it in the TV only. But now, we experience eating durian. Yes, it's true. There's bad odor. But it's so yummy. It's so yummy.
So it's our first time, guys. It's our first time, guys, to try eat this kind of fruit, durian. So you know it's very expensive when you buy this into the market. So this one, guys, this is a small durian only, guys, for 250 pesos, 1 kilo and 1/4. So yes, and it has so many seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 seeds. It has 7 seeds.